In response to public protests against severe air pollution, the Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board has ordered the closure of 6 factories in Byrnihat for violating environmental norms. Earlier, the board had conducted a surprise night inspection at 13 Mile, Tamulkuchi, to identify factories operating in violation of air pollution norms. Fines were also imposed on 2 factories, Rs 4 lakh on Sham Century Ferro Alloy Private Limited and Rs 2 lakh on Khasi Alloy Limited. Surprise inspections will continue periodically across the state, officials informed.
The reason for issuing closure notice is non-operational pollution control device and non-transmission of online continuous emission monitoring system and the exceedance of the pollution limit obtained from the online continuous emission monitoring system and inefficiency of pollution control device installed. These are the reasons we have issued earlier and they have not complied, and based on that we have issued closure notices. Now it has been closed.
Nakapor sa kapor ngi ay complain nagi brew nagi senong jong Byrnihat bagi ang ba porman meet kini ki industries ki penmi ya kini tedam tehadin bagi la inspection nadok arp saw trek jong January nila yo ban bat ya kini industries ma ki ba penmi tedam ang porman meet porman skiro nila phakang ro benta ka ski brew trek industries maka jing trelang ba ka office jong deputy commissioner Bihar district nila phakang ya kini ki industries ki ba kateng Sham Century Ferro Alloy Private Limited ka Khasi Alloy Limited ka Nalari Ferro Alloy Limited Pawan Casting FW Ferro SR Bioproduct Private Limited.